Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. The outside color is light blue with the raised chrome graphics, and it does include the trailer. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. This also has the rear port and starboard transom seats. These are removable backrest. As we come through the boat, you'll see low profile rails throughout the boat. Has a flip-flop seat. Underneath here is a live well with a light. Also works as a leaning post. Here at the helm you'll see a very spacious spot to put your electronics, flush mounted. It's going to come with a Fusion stereo which has Bluetooth. Also, all of your switches are labeled with push-in breakers, gauges, plenty of cup holders here at the helm. This T-top is white powder coat, plenty of rod holders, LED light underneath the top. As we make our way forward, you'll see on the sides both port and starboard teak boarding steps, JL audio speakers. Coming forward, you'll have a removable beach cooler that is a Yeti with a backrest, a full-length fish box, a separate anchor locker, and a trolling motor panel in the bow. That concludes the walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.